In order to meet the brazing requirements, the basic requirements for brazing material are as follows. 1. With appropriate melting point. The melting point of the brazing material is at least a few decades lower than the melting point of the mother material. Because the melting point of the two is too close to the brazing process is not easy to control, will lead to the mother material grain is too coarse or even local melting. 2. Good wettability, so that the brazing material can be spread on the surface of the mother material and fully fill the brazing gap. 3. Can dissolve, diffuse and other interactions with the mother material, and form a solid metallurgical bond. 4. It should have stable and uniform composition. In the brazing process should try to avoid the phenomenon of segregation and volatile elements of the burnout. 5. The brazed joints obtained should be able to meet the requirements of use, such as mechanical requirements. In addition, should also consider the economy of brazing material, in order to meet the process performance and the use of performance under the premise of as little as possible or do not use rare metals and precious metals, in order to reduce costs.